All right, everyone. So from the last turbo update where we were falling below, we didn't quite reach the previous high here. Came all the way down here to about 0.003435. We did not hit the top here, but ultimately we ended up holding the 236 here. So the winning scenario right now is this one here that we pointed out, several times here. Either this was going to play out or this was going to play out to where we come back to the previous high, hold that as support, and then at some point in the future we go back up. But as of right now, as you can clearly see, the 236 at 0047 is holding. We're starting to move once again. Now, one thing I do want to point out, the first resistance level to watch here, we've pointed this out in the past, that here on the smaller 12-hour time frame, if we draw from the low there to the high, we do have this 006 level here to watch. It is the 236, which held as support all back here and is now resistance. So once you get over 0060 and you establish that and you start moving, then you're going to be extremely bullish over this much smaller 236 on this fib here. And ultimately, as we've been pointing out on the larger macro weekly time frame here, we are bullish over this green line. Now, as always, it's not going to hold it perfectly. Nothing's perfect here, but ultimately that level from the low to the high is holding as support. So she looks good right now. Your first resistance to watch is 006 at 5.9 at the moment. And then once you get through that 6th level, the next stop's going to be once again that 1272 at 0087. And you should move up past that 6th level about 47-48% from where you are right now. And that's going to be a huge price to get over here. And then once we're through that, the next stop's going to be that penny and a half up here to the 1414 and that $1 billion market cap. So if we continue to be bullish here and we keep pushing, you may come up to that level and come up 160% here on turbo. So as of right now, she's looking good. The one thing we do not want to see is it getting stuck at the 1272 here and pulling back and potentially making the double top with the lower high here. Then that's going to pretty much tell us that we're just going to chop around here for a while on this 236 level like this. But as of right now, she looks good. So we'll see what happens here on turbo. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.